Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. My hair looks like a wig, but like in a good way, but it's definitely not. Like it's definitely, you know, my hair. The silver, man, she's doing me some good. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. Today I have a New Year's Eve inspired tutorial. I am really excited to be bringing this to you today. I don't know if I've been so excited to film and edit a video in such a long time, except for my Halloween series, which I did love, but I've just got a whole new level of excitement for this. I don't want to ramble too much. If you'd like to see how to achieve this really pretty sparkly smoky eye with a glossy nude lip, then please just keep on watching because I'm going to show you. My hair and skin, they're really not cute right now. I'm not loving it, but we can make it work. We're lighting up a new candle while we're here. This is the Cafe Bouquet Paris from Bath & Body Works. The fragrance notes are espresso beans, white tuberose, and bergamot zest. So we're going to be using a mixture of MAC shadows and I whipped out the Urban Decay Moondust palette. I think I want to recreate the New Year's Eve look that I did last year because I just loved it so much. So the first shade that I'm taking is this one right here. It is called Soft Brown from MAC. I'm just applying this color into the crease and then just kind of blending it upwards. My skin wasn't even that bad. I just had to go and make it so much worse. Oh my god. When I get like bored or nervous, I'll just like sit in front of the mirror and just like pop at like little pimples that like aren't even that visible, but they're visible to me because I'm looking up in like my way close up mirror. I hate that I do this to myself. Why can't I just be content with having good skin? Then I'm going to take this color right here. That one is Brown Script from MAC. And I'm applying that a little bit lower into the crease, right underneath where I apply that soft brown color. And it's okay if it's not like blended perfectly because we can just go back in and blend out with another brush, you know? You know? And then I think I'm going to apply the MAC Feline Eye Kohl to the upper lash line and kind of blend it a little bit onto the lid. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm just gonna like sketch right along the lash line here, just kind of going a little bit upwards. With a brush with like no additional product on it, I'm just going to kind of pat the eyeliner out a little bit. It's going to help to very gently soften it. Then with a little itty bitty brush like this, it's the MAC 221, I'm going to take the color Embark and I'm going to apply that right into the deepest part of the crease. This is going to help to blend out that black color a little bit. And of course, as per usual, going out and like blending with the other brushes that I've used. I'm just doing the same thing on this side. I went in with some eyeliner, again Feline Eye Kohl from MAC, and I'm just taking my flat brush and just kind of softening out that top line. And like I said, it's alright if it's messy. We're just going to clean it up anyways afterwards, so it's not a big deal. And then going back in with that brown shadow and buffing that into the crease. Basically our goal was to go from black to like a light warm brown. Next I'm going to take, oh my nose itches. Next I'm going to take the brushstroke liner from MAC. This is in the color Brush Black, so it's just like black eyeliner. I'm just going to draw a little wing. Okay, both wings are on. This one is atrocious, but it's all good because we're just going to put some eyeshadow on top of it anyway. So grabbing my Moondust palette from Urban Decay, I'm going to dip into this color right here. It is called Granite. It's a really beautiful, like kind of silvery black, like a black with silver glitter. And I'm gonna spritz my brush with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. And then I am taking my brush with my shadow on it, and I'm just applying that mostly to like the bottom half of the lid. I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush with nothing on it, and I'm just going to kind of brush up some of that like silver sparkle from the moondust color, so it becomes like this really, really pretty, like silvery, shimmery type of situation. And then, like usual, I'm just gonna go back in and blend. If I get fallout underneath my eye, I like to wipe it off with like a wipe. I also like to use wipes to clean up underneath eyeliner. It just helps to make it look like even crisper. Okay, well, now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna zoom you out and we're going to work on my skin. So first I'm gonna use a little bit of primer for a couple different reasons. One of them being it's a night out, you know, so we want our skin to be, we want our makeup to be staying on, you know what I mean? And then also because my skin is horribly textured, and this is the Milk Luminous Blur Stick, so it's going to help reduce texture a little bit while still not sacrificing the luminosity that I desire. I don't love the feel of silicone primers, but this one has a really kind of like fine silicone feeling. It's not like super thick or like really like slippy feeling. It's a little tacky, which I kind of like, plus it still gives that nice luminosity, which I love. Because we're trying to be extra AF tonight, we're gonna pop a little bit of Benefit High Beam onto the tops of my cheekbones. I'm going in with a matte foundation, and so I, again, don't want to compromise any of that glow, so I like to apply some of this underneath my foundation just to add a little extra bit. And I like that it's a liquid, so it's not going to emphasize too much texture. Because again, my skin, she be textured today, mama. Okay, now that my skin is properly luminous underneath, I'm going to go in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the color NC13. This is more of a matte full coverage foundation, which again I need because my skin's not looking too hot today. I would be lying if I said it wasn't my fault. Oh, I hate how much concealer I'm gonna need. It's fine, I did this to myself. Just like the picture with the dog when he's like in the house on fire and he's like, this is fine. I'm just gonna pat a little bit extra coverage around my cheek area, which is where I have the most concentrated amount of spots. Then I'm gonna grab my concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Almond. Swan. Almond is my tan color. But I'm just going to apply this anywhere where I need a little bit of extra coverage, and to highlight a little bit, just gonna dot some right there. Oh, and also I burned my my jaw, curling my hair the other day, so I'm gonna cover that up too. My god, this is a lot of coverage. But it's fine, we are certainly making this work. Oh my god, that is so much coverage. My skin just looks not great right now. It's, again, my own fault. But, you know, I'm gonna do my best to cover up my mistakes and sadness. I'm just gonna set my under eyes using MAC Studio Fix powder. This is an NC10. It's gonna help to highlight a little bit, and then also prevent my under eyes from like moving around too much. Again, it's New Year's, so you already know we're gonna be moving around and partying and whatnot, whatever millennials do at clubs on New Year's Eve. It's obviously before New Year's Eve because I'm gonna upload this before New Year's Eve. Preferably. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing yet on New Year's Eve. I know I'm spending time with my friends. I don't know what we're doing. I might spend time with a boy. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in with Feline Eye Kohl from MAC, and I'm just going to run this right on the waterline. Oh, I need to sharpen this pencil. Where's my sharpener? I'm gonna go back in with the color Granite onto a little flat brush, and I'm just going to apply this right to the lower lash line. It's gonna help to blend out. Ooh, ooh, big mistake. As I was saying. And I'm actually just gonna take that liner and like really get that in between the lashes on the bottom. You don't want to see any like flesh tone gaps or spaces. I look freaking scary right now. I'm gonna go into a little bit of Embark, which is that darker brown color. And basically I'm just gonna do exactly what I did on the top except backwards. So I'm starting with the darker color and then I'm gonna end on the lightest color. So I'm pretty much just going like underneath each one with the next lightest color and just kind of buffing it out a little bit. It's gonna smoke it out a lot. It's gonna look super sultry and sexy. I'm using a big old brush to smoke out soft brown. I'm really taking this kind of down far just because I really like that kind of like warm like under eye. Looks a little sickly but also like a little sexy, especially when you're doing like black eyeshadow looks. I just think it looks so good. For super intense inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Nylon from MAC, which is an old school favorite, and I'm just gonna pop this right onto the inner corner to create a really intense bright inner corner. I'm gonna do some contour and bronzing. I am mixing taupe and sculpt from the MAC contour palette that I just love so much. And I'm going hard on them cheekbones, girl. Fuck. To blend it out a little bit, I'm just going to take a little bit of Baiana Bronze Bronzer from MAC, and I'm just going to kind of use that to add some warmth and then also really, really blend it out. Plus, I just look super washed out right now, so I want to add some color. I can't say for sure that this is the exact look I'm going to do on New Year's Eve, but it might be. I don't know yet. To highlight late cheekbones, I'm going to go in with Soft and Gentle from MAC, and I'm going to, you know, just place this right at the tops of them bad boys. Up at the forehead too. I'm not going to go with Hush Cream Color Base today, shocker, but I am going to use Double Gleam from MAC, which is like a super extra blinding highlight. And I'm just going to apply this at like the way tops of the cheekbones. Like, do you see the difference that makes? Just gonna like top of the nose this too, and some like extra Cupid's bow. Like, look at that friggin' blinding ass. For blush, I'm going to do a little mixeroonie. I'm going to do Warm Soul and Gingerly from MAC. Gingerly is a beautiful, like really, really warm, kind of like ruddy. Ooh, it's hard to explain. Like a nice kind of like brownish, like neutral peach. And then I'm also going to do Warm Soul. I'm going to mix those two. Warm Soul is just a really beautiful, very neutral, like bronze and mauve. Like, it's pretty much just like every blush you'll ever need in one. I like to mix them just because I kind of like the combination of the two together. I just think that they're super duper beautiful. So this is basically done. I am going to do lashes and mascara off camera, and then I will come back and then we will choose a lip. Oh, I got a message. Okay, so hair is done-esque. And I have my lashes on, mascara on. I look so much better now. I also changed my top. This is from H&M, but I bought it from Plato's Closet for like $5. It's just like a really pretty, like, it's just like a really pretty, like, green top. The back is black. It's got some, like, sparkle on it. I'm just, like, so into it. I just finished watching a video from a girl called Lisa J on YouTube. It's called Mac Training Secrets Revealed from an ex-Mac trainer. And I thought it was super interesting as a Mac artist myself. Just because like, it shows you a lot of like the basics for makeup, and I think it's such a well thought out, put together video that's very, very informative. So I'm gonna leave that down below so you guys can watch it too, because it is a really, really good video, and I really liked it. So yeah. Okay, lips. I am going in with Subculture lip liner from MAC. I'm overdrawing my lips just slightly. Oh fuck. Oopsies. When I said overdrawing my lips slightly, I guess I really meant overdrawing my lips a metric fuck ton. I'm gonna do my favorite night out lip combo. I went and I got my little purse bag. This is where I keep my lipsticks that I like to store in my purse. I have like lip liners in here and stuff too. I'm gonna take Myth lipstick from MAC, which as you can see is the best lipstick. You can tell I love it a lot. And I'm going to apply that liberally to the lips. Then I'm going to take a little bit of sugar-rimmed dazzleglass from MAC. I just did a little tiny bit of that, so you can really, really see a little bit of sparkle and some gloss. Alright you guys, this is the finished New Year's Eve look. I did a kind of black, sparkly, smoky eye. I had some warmth to it. We've got a nice contour highlight going on and a beautiful glossy nude lip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you appreciated this tutorial and hope you enjoyed my content today. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more of my face, then just hit subscribe to check out more. All my links will be down below, so like Tumblr, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, that's all gonna be down there. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.